Welcome boys. In this video we're going to be removing the front right door panel on our 2003 Dodge Dakota quad cab 2nd gen. This is going to be a door panel removal video, and then we are going to diagnose the failure of the window regulator and then prop the window up. So if you need to know how to do that, you can hang around towards the end. If you only need to know how to remove the panel, then just hang out for the front half of the video. 5 screws hold this door panel on. 1 there, 2 there, 3 here, 4, 5. All Phillips. So I'll get them off, and then we're going to go and investigate what happened. Okay, and I should be able to give us a yank. Alright, let's see. So we have the door handle and the lock. We have some rods that are connecting those. So I'm going to need both my hands here, so I'm going to have to put you down. But we just need to disconnect these from the rods. So I'll get those off, disconnect the electrical connectors for my window and door locks there, and then we'll see what we can see inside. Okay, that was the world's easiest door panel to get off. Getting those bars off was as simple as just pulling them through that little clippy guy and then lifting them up. Now we have this vapor barrier on here with this black goo, so we're gonna gently peel that off, and then I should be able to see what's going on in here. Okay, so there's not going to be much else to see here until I get the part in, because there doesn't seem to be anything loose. These are affixed. The motor's here. It's affixed. This is also part of the regulator, so I believe these 2 things and these 2 up here are the regulator, hold the regulator in place, but it seems to be in there. The window's in place. Those screws there. So, yeah. And I can lift up from down here. But once I let go, yeah, see, I can get it up there, but if I let go, it just goes back down. I can pull it down quite easily. It's not out of the track. I can see clearly here. More clearly than you can anyway. Window's in the track, so that's not the issue. And I'm going to assume the motor's not the issue, because if the motor was the problem, then it would just be seized, but it keeps falling, so that's the regulator. I'm not sure what part of the regulator broke. I could try to remove it and figure that out for myself, but I think what we're going to do is I'm going to get a piece of wood or something to jam from in there, so I don't need my hands to do that. But that'll be it for, I guess, this part. So to keep it in place, we're going to lift this up, get a 2x4 or something down in here to keep it from sliding back down, and that'll have to be good enough until my regulator comes in. And we'll do regulator replacement. And that should be fun. So, alright. If you want to know how to take the door panel off, that's how you do it. And I guess next video we'll be replacing the regulator. We'll make that its own video. Okay, before I sign off, if you want to know how the 2x4 went, it went. It's in there. So I took one that's like so, but shorter than this. Fished it through there, and now it's sitting like so. You see kind of the back of it down in there. As best you can with the lighting we have anyway. And it's sitting on this reinforcement, and the window drops down maybe an inch. So if I had something else I could put in there, that would probably keep it mostly sealed, but I actually have these rain guards, so I'm not too worried about the rain. It would have to do some hardcore like up action to get in there, so Not a big deal. I just can't take it to the car wash till I get this regulator done. But all right. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.